this video, I'll be teaching you how to get free stock images for your work. Truth be told, you cannot publish your work without images. That is because these images will help in beautifying your work. So I will not only teach you how to get these free stock images, I'm going to teach you how you can save it directly into your gallery. And aside from saving directly to your gallery, I am also going to teach you how to customize these images to be yours. You understand? Because if you read the community guidelines, if you watch my videos on the community guidelines, you see that Amazon loves original stuff, original content. Everything you're using, as far as Amazon KDP is concerned, it is supposed to be yours. Everything, the images, everything, the design is supposed to be yours. You're not supposed to copy anything from anybody. And you know that these free stock images that we are going to download, like, we are not the only persons downloading from this site. So guys, another thing I'm showing you in this video is that I am exposing you to this free website where you can get free stock images and free stock videos. So for the sake of Amazon KDP, you will not be needing videos. All you will need is just pictures. So if you'll be needing videos for free stock videos for anything, you can as well use this method to get your videos. So guys, like I already stated, you already know that Amazon KDP loves original stuff, original content, originality, and all of that. So I'm also going to show you how you will make these images that you're getting from this website to be yours. You understand? So because I know that if you go to amazon.com, you're gonna see same images you're using on your cover page, inside your work and all of that. You're gonna see other persons make use of them. You understand that they are already free stock images, so thousands of persons are getting these images too. So I'm going to show you how you can customize it for it to be yours. So if this sounds interesting to you, please kindly like this video, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, kindly share this video, let other persons see my channel through you. If you have questions, do not hesitate to drop it in my comments. If you do, I am going to reply. So without wasting much time, let me hold you by the hand, take you over to my screen recorder where you will see me download these free stock images, customize these free stock images, remove background from these free stock images, and save it directly to my gallery. Let's move over to my screen recorder, guys. At this point, go to any browser of your choice. Once you go to any browser of your choice, we are typing Pixabay. This is it, guys. This is what we are typing. So once you type it, this is the website. This is the website. You click on it. Once you click on it, it will bring you to this interface. So here you can get free stock images, free stock music, free stock videos, wallpaper, background, anything of your choice. So for the purpose of this video, what we need at this point is images. So remember that our topic is scanning mate. So I'll just type canning mate. I'll search. Once you search, then it will bring you to this interface where you see images. There is something I want to draw your attention to. Please, can you see this? These ones are not free. These images are not free. And it happens that the images you love so much, the images that appeal so much to you, are the ones that are not always free. You understand? This is one thing I have noticed about these sites. So you see, once you see these images, avoid those ones. So you see these ones. So ensure that you are downloading images that are related to what you're doing. So let me click on this one. I think I like it, being that our work is about meat. So at this point, you click on download. So once you click on download, it will tell you to download here. You see another download over here. You click on it again. So once you click on it, you have to wait. So like this one is already asking us, see, here it has downloaded already. It is telling me to open. So here is voluntary if you want to donate or not. Like, The image is actually free, but if you want to donate, you can donate to Rita. I think the image belongs to her or something, you understand? So if I go to my gallery now, you will see that image. So let us download this one as well. So I've clicked on it. I'll click on download again. I'll click on download over here, and it will download. See, it's also telling me to open. So automatically these images are now in my gallery. It is also telling me here to donate. That is if I want to. So without wasting time, let me introduce you to another site where you can get free stock images. So another site where I get my images is Pixels. Here is it, Pixels. So you click on it. Once you click on it, this is their website. This is their website here. So you click on it. Once you click on it, it will take you to their interface. Here you can get photos, images, like whatever you want, pictures, videos as well. So remember our topic, canning meat. Canning meat. I am using canning meat because this is the topic I'm working on, you understand? So yours might be anything of your choice. So we are looking for meat, right? This is meat. We click on it. So once we click on it, you can see free download. You can see free download here. You can see free download. You just click on the free download. Once you click on it, see, it has downloaded. It is even telling me to open. Here it is telling me to donate. That's if I want to, you understand? So once you're done, you can click on this sign. You keep scrolling, you keep going down till you find more images. Guys, do not forget, these ones are not free. See, these ones that are not free, in fact, let me click on it so that you see. Now that I've clicked on it, it's gonna tell me to pay. Remember that for the other ones, once you click on it, you will see free download, but this one, it is not so. So this image cost $9.99. That is what it cost, you understand? So if you really need it, you have to pay, you understand? They're even saying that, look at what they're saying here. They're saying welcome to iStock, save 20% with code. So if I'm using their code, I'll save 20%. But this is me, I am not using it, I'm not buying it, please. Thank you. So guys, let me introduce you to another site where you can get free stock images as well. So next site where you can look, this is it, guys, Unsplash. So this is next site. You click on it. Once you click on it, this is their website. You click on it as well. Once you click on it, it will bring you to this interface where you put your topic, what you're writing on. Being that I'm writing on canning meat, I'll keep looking for canning meat, you understand? So guys, still in this video, I'll show you how to change the background of these images. So this one as well is not free. This one is not free. So you can scroll down, go down. I'll click on this one. Then you see this place. I can click on download. Once I click on download, see, it is telling me to open. It is downloading. Then here, in case I want to say thank you to the owner of the image, I can equally say thank you to the owner of the image. So guys, at this point, let me take you to my gallery. Let's see if this image is downloaded to our gallery. So let's check out if these images are in our gallery. So here are they, guys. They are actually here. They are here, guys. Here are the images. The images we downloaded. So at this point, let us proceed. Let us go let us go to any browser of our choice. So at this point, we are removing background. Remember, we want to customize these images. We are customizing it to become hers. So now we type bg remover, like background remover. That's what we are typing. So once you type, you search, this is the one I love using, so you just click on it. Once you click on it, it will bring you to this interface. Guys, wait, let it load. So it will bring you to this interface. It is still loading. So here you see upload image. So where you see upload image, you click on the upload image. Once you click on it, so I'm starting with this one, I've clicked on it, you click on done. So once you click on done, you see that it will start rotating. It is rotating now, rotating, trying to change the image of this picture. See guys, if you don't trying to change the background of the picture, so if you don't change the background, if you go to amazon.com, there are so many people using these images. You understand? There are so many people using these images, so it will not look as if you just copied someone's work. You understand? So Amazon is terminating people's accounts these days for minor things. You understand? So it shouldn't be because of free stock images that Amazon will not come and terminate your account that you've put in so much hard work. You understand? So I think it is because of my network. Let me pause this video a bit. Let me pause it a bit. Okay guys, so at this point it is done removing the background. So next you're gonna do is for you to click on this download. So once you click on the download, you're downloading into your gallery. So at this point, this is what you need to do. You see download here, you see new background. So in case you want to fix a new background to this, you can fix a new background. In case you want to create something new with Canva, you can do it with this. In case you want to add effect, you want to erase or restore, you can do this. So you can actually come here, then you play with this you play with all these features. You play with all these features to make your image more unique. So once you're done, what you will do is for you to click on download. So I would click on download now. So once you click on download, it will then ask you, once you click on download, it will then ask you if you want to download for free or you want maximum quality. So because we are downloading for free, you just click on free. You click on free. So once you click on free, see, it has already downloaded. If I go to my gallery now, you see that the image will automatically be in my gallery. So let's check it out. So look at it here. No, look at it here. Look at the original image here. Look at the one that we just changed background. This is the one we just changed the background. So let me open it so you can see it much better. So you see that the background is dark compared to the other one. This is the original. This is the original image. This is the one we just changed the background. So if you want to do more, is for you just come back. If you're changing background of another image, you come here, you click on this plus sign here. You click on the plus sign. So once you click on the plus sign, it will take you directly to your gallery. Then I'll click on this one. I'll then click on done. Once I click on done, the image is automatically here. It is here already. So as usual, it will begin to scan. It will begin to rotate. If you check up here, you see that it has changed the background. It is done now. You just click on download. Once you click on download, you click on free. If you need maximum quality, you can pay for it. So this is it. So guys, in my next video, I am going to show you how you can customize this image for it to be yours, that nobody anywhere is making use of it. So I believe this video was useful. Please, if it was, kindly like this video, kindly drop a comment, kindly share this video, let it get to other people. Then do not forget to subscribe. See you guys in my next video, and bye for now.